is Taj English Academy. My dear listeners and viewers, I am surprised to say that people say a man who speaks fast English is a master of English. No. Master of a language is the person who can communicate everything properly, and all his ideas that he wants to communicate is understood by the listener. He speaks politely, clearly, and every word is explicit, clear, and not cutting half and half. That's it. So, you please see that whenever you speak, you always speak with full sounds, completion of the sound. Necessary, not necessary, necessary. Never try to compress the words by using it fast and compressed, thinking that you really got mastery over the language. Never do that one. Speak slowly, comfortably, perfectly, so that all words are spoken clearly. Clearly. Never eat the words away. That's not the language. The language means communication.